The first session came to an end. Governor Sisolak says he will issue a proclamation for a second special session, but not until his office and the legislature have fully reviewed the policy items and when he thinks it's safe. Paul Nelson joins us live in the newsroom. Paul, what are lawmakers saying about a second special session?
Well, they're ready to reconvene when the governor makes the call, Ryan. Sisolak wants to address several policies that he says should not wait until the 2021 legislative session, but he's hesitant to call another special session during the spike in Nevada's COVID-19 cases.
It is carried. The 31st special session of the Nevada legislature is adjourned. Sine die.
Lawmakers are finished with their work to balance the state's budget. Now they're waiting to begin the 32nd special session.
We've had the conversation for months. We're going to continue to talk. We're going to continue to talk about what would be appropriate for now versus next session and whether or not health conditions allow for us to continue to talk about some of those policies.
School districts have raised concerns that they could get sued if students catch or spread COVID-19. Some lawmakers want to pass a bill to address liability protections for schools and businesses.
We need to offer them some protection. They've already been devastated, and so civil liability for the school systems, I mean, we have to discuss that.
A lot of the next special session will likely focus on things like criminal justice and police reform.
We should have probably dealt with the liability factor here. As far as the police reforms, I'm not really sure that's a function of COVID. You know, those are things that could have been done in the regular session and could wait till the next regular session.
Lawmakers say they could also discuss mail-in ballots for the general election and address efficiency and accessibility of unemployment insurance. Stabilizing businesses and revising safety standards are other priorities, all while creating a safe environment.
That also extends to this building and making sure that we are doing the same thing. And I'm sure that the governor wants to make sure that we as legislators, you all as reporters, our staff are all safe.
There were several safety precautions in place for the special session that just wrapped up, including daily temperature checks and closing the building to the public. We expect that to continue in the next one. Covering the story live in the newsroom, Paul Nelson.